Okay, so let's look at the following two questions. So they say, a new snowmobile costs $4,200. The value of the snowmobile decreases by 10% each year. What would the value of the snowmobile be after 7 years? Well, now for this type of equation, when they talk about it decreases by value, meaning that when you buy something, the value goes lower than what you bought it for. So for this type of equation, we're going to use this formula. Now, usually this would actually be a decaying graph, meaning that the graph would go lower and lower and lower and lower until eventually after X amount of years it would be useless or would be worthless. But for this question, let's use this formula. So I'm gonna think of A as my final amount, okay? And this little a, you'd be more familiar with the P, right? For the P being the principal. So what did I pay for the snowmobile? I paid $4,200 for the snowmobile, okay? Now it decreases by 10% each year, meaning that I first, in any type of interest question, I want to take my percentage to decimal. We do that by just dividing with 100, okay? Now we know 10 over 100 is 1 over 10, which is 0.1. So I can now say that 1 minus 0.1 to the power of 7, because t is my amount of years, okay? So now let's find out what the value of this would be after 7 years. So we're going to save 1,400 and we're going to simplify whatever is in the parentheses. Okay, so 1 minus 0.1 is 0.9 to the power of 7. I'm going to head over to my calculator. I'm going to type 4,200 parentheses 0.9 to the power. No, I first want to close my parentheses. Hold up. Okay, close my parentheses. Very important. To the power of 7. So now we can see after 7 years, I would now pay, or it would be worth, 2,008.84 cents. Okay. Now I could actually round this up. So this final value, I can round it up to 85 cents. Okay. So that's how we solve decreasing value. Now certain things you buy would always decrease in value. For instance, cars, snowmobiles, TVs, etc. Some things go up in value. Your house can even go down in value, but it could also go up.